Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. If you look behind me there, you'll see my budget Audi A3 8V. So that can only mean one thing, we're back on the budget build, and today, you see this episode here?
So bumper for tomorrow.
Alrighty guys, we got a little bit of a surprise. I want to get through a lot of progress, so if you want to see all of that, stay tuned. So guys, I'm just back from the gym and the endorphins are flowing. I've got clarity of thought, I feel good, and I'm ready to get to work. The first thing I need to do, I need to call SVA panels, try to get a front bumper. I've been looking for an original front bumper that's going to come with everything, but I can't seem to find one, and that's really holding up the build. So I'm just going to go ahead, order a replacement one from SVA, and then I can go ahead source in the fog lights, etc, etc. Moving on, I want to get that bottom piece completely welded up today, get that wing completely fitted in, locked down, get that all ready, and then we're going to continue to start the bodywork on the car. So let's get the car from the back, get it in the garage and get to work.
Okay, so bumper for tomorrow, it's coming at quality one available from the supplier. They're showing at $99.99 plus VAT, so $120 all in.
Ah, perfect. Can you send that down for tomorrow? And do you do fog lights for the same car?
Okay, so fog lamp, I just have the one at the moment. They're coming at $39.99 plus VAT, and I have one showing on the shelf.
Okay, you send that down as soon as possible for the driving side, yeah?
Okay.
So guys, I was trying to find the parts at a reasonable price. I couldn't find the used parts anywhere, so I've just gone ahead and I've just booked it. So today, so far, we've spent 163 quid. With that out of the way, we're adding everything up. I'm still okay for the budget, but let me know what you think. But for now, let's get the car in the garage. So guys, gotta pause the video. This part of the video, we're gonna be doing a lot of welding. There's gonna be a lot of flashing lights. So if you suffer from any sort of photo epilepsy or any form of photo sensitivity to lights, flashing lights or anything of that sort, please turn away. Now, just a warning, let's continue. What is it?
Loud pipe save lives. It's really good.
Alright you guys, so a lot of time has passed and a lot of work has gone on. Have a look at this section here. Went ahead and we welded in that bottom piece, went ahead and put some treatment for rust, or anti-rust I should say, and we went ahead and we put a layer of body filler. Have a look at that, that's nice and smooth. I'm going to take a pause on that for now because if you look at this part, this is the replacement part that I got for the wing, and it just never quite lined up and I didn't know why. And then I realized that I actually got the wrong part, and instead of just messing about, I had to go down to TPS, and for 23 quid, to have a look at that, I've got a brand new replacement part, so I can go ahead, get this on the car, get the wing on, but everything's starting to shape up. Have a look at down there, like I said, this is definitely a structural part, and I never anticipated doing this, so we'll see how this kind of extra added work affects the budget in the long run. There's still some more work to do there, we will do that. And another thing, hold on, before we continue, Akil went ahead and straightened up this door, all the edges. We still have to bodywork it, but all the edges on the door are nice and straight. And now this door can go back onto the car, and then we can bodywork everything. But first, let's get the wing panel on the car, get that wing in place, and then we can line up everything and see how the wing sits on its new perch right at the bottom down there. Alrighty guys, we got a little bit of a surprise and there's nowhere else to start, but look at that bumper. You saw it's still the same day. This morning I called SVA. SVA said, yeah, they'll send it out tomorrow. And then literally I was working away and the guy turned up and he's got a fog light for me and that new bumper. So I've just given it a little test fit. It's not all the way in. I've just given it a test fit. But have a look. It actually looks like a car again. And it's coming together really nicely. Check out that headlight. That headlight is on there solid. Wing panel is on there solid as well. Everything down there is looking and feeling very, very solid. We just need to do some body work on the bonnet, continue the body work on the door, continue that area, and then we'll be getting ready for spraying this car. The new headlight is fitted in perfectly. The wing is fitted on perfectly over there. Everything on the front end of the car is looking as it should. It's just missing the grille. If you remember in the previous episode, I told you that I did get a grille. Well, one of you guys in the comments told me that it was the incorrect grille because it's a facelift grille. I've tried it and it definitely is a facelift grille. It's too big. So I'm in the market for a new grille for a pre-facelift 8V. But yeah, that is it. We've done quite a lot and I managed to achieve everything that I wanted to achieve in this episode. So let me know what you think about how everything's going together. Let me know what you think about the budget. Just let me know what you think and I'll be looking at in the comments. And guys, with that, this is where we're gonna end this episode. So far in this episode, we've added 163 plus 23 quid to the overall budget. I'm giving you everything. I'm super transparent with this build, so you get to see. It's a little bit more than I expected because of that added damage that we sorted out today. However, it is what it is. We keep it moving. If you want to see how we get on, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel and make sure your bells are on so you get a notification when I post the next video on this car and others. And this we're gonna head off. So like I always say, keep it moving and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. We out.